So let me guess, you have a website or you are thinking to get a website for your business. But is your website is providing values to your business? I mean to say, is your website is providing quality leads to your business? If not, then stick to this video where I'm gonna share you how can you build a lead magnet and install onto your website which can generate you quality leads and build conversions through it within no time. Hey, this is Web Strategist Harsh, and I'm here to help you to get leads and generate conversions from your website and what's going on in the web marketing that you should know and apply onto your website to get more benefits from your website. So let's discuss first what are the benefits of having a converging lead magnet. So if you haven't seen my previous video where I have assisted you how can you build a lead magnet for your website, then click right on this video to know how to build a effective lead magnet or what are the types of lead magnet which you can build as per your business requirement. So the benefits of using a lead magnet is that it can generate you quality leads without spending so much time on your lead generation. You can more focus on how to convert that prospect into conversions. The another benefit of using a lead magnet is that there is a one-time payment method to generate leads for unlimited time of period. There are many more benefits, but let's discuss further what should you include in your lead magnet to make it much more effective. So things like your case studies, your success stories, your learnings, your knowledge, anything which is valuable, and if you will share it with your future customer, they definitely get some kind of result from it. You can include that into your lead magnet. So let's take an example. If you are a business consultant and you are using your video as your lead magnet, you can give your top 5 best strategies or case studies from which if someone apply it on itself or on their business, they'll get a short success as soon as possible. So you have to keep in your mind that your lead magnet should provide the result within less time. What that means is that if someone have applied your strategy on their business, they must get the result within 1 week. So you have to focus on that stuff which can give a success within less time. So share that stuff within your lead magnet and you will definitely get great number of conversions from that leads. So there is one more important thing which you have to focus on that, and that is your website. Your lead magnet will work well if your website is well strategized and proper manner, so that if someone is visiting your website, they must encourage up to that much that they will download or consume your lead magnet as much as possible. So if you want to know how to do that, then click right on this video where I'm gonna share you with an example how can you build or convert your old website into a well strategized lead generating machine.